Hi friends, let me show you this new MacBook Pro charger that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a new unit and it will be helpful to charge MacBook Pro 16 2021 to 2023, MacBook Pro 14 inches 2023, MacBook Air 13, 14, 15 inches, all of the MacBooks with this kind of charging port, okay? It's not the new USB-C, it's this kind of MacBooks charging port, okay? It's a new charger. It comes pretty nicely packed, okay? And you can charge your computer with this charger. It connects to a regular outlet. It has this Velcro strip, so you can fix it as you need it, if you need more distance or less, and you can help yourself to tighten it with this Velcro strip, okay? And this one is a 2 meters cable, 6.6 feet. So it's large enough to charge your computer from any distance from a wall outlet. Of course, up to 6.6 feet. So if you have these kind of computers and for any reason you need a new charger, this is a great option for you, okay? You can connect it to the provided charger or any other with a USB-C port. Thank you.